हांव एंथनी डिसिलो फ्रॉम अस्सलाम दिल्ली. आयज हांवें एक विडियो चयला एंड आय हॅव बीन गिवन टू अंडरस्टँड थ्रू द मिडिया दॅट हेल्थ मिनिस्टर विश्वजीत राणे बाबान एकल्या डॉक्टराक डॉक्टर रुद्रेश कुतीकर म्हणटाय तेका he has humiliated him beyond imaginations.
अरे who is the CMO here? CMO कोण आहे? CMO कोण? Who is the CMO? Where is the CMO? All of you, where is the CMO? Where is he? Call him. Pass. तू CMO? तू CMO? तुका उलोवपाक सारकें रीत येना. आता प्रेसाचो एक मनीस आयल्लो इंजेक्शन मारपाक यू कॅनॉट गायड हिम प्रॉपरली. यू लर्न टू कंट्रोल युअर टंग. यू आर अ डॉक्टर. डोंट फोर्स मी टू ऍक्ट. पुट युअर हँड्स आउट फर्स्ट when you are standing in front of me. I generally don't lose my cool, but you have to behave yourself. However much you are loaded, you will talk properly to the patient and guide the patient. Urban health center चल हांगा चल म्हण तू कित्याक रावला हांगा मागीर? कित्या खातीर जॉब घेता गव्हर्मेंटान? उलोवपाक रीत आसूंक जाय तुका. तूं डॉक्टर. तूं मास्क काड पयलीं. म्हाका तोंड पळोवंक जाय तुजें. सांबाळून एका सस्पेन्शन ऑर्डर काडा and kick him out from here. These doctors don't understand unless you understand you're here to serve humanity. You're not here with your bloody ego. I am telling you what I'm saying. You're not authorized to speak when I'm speaking. You please go. दूसरा CMO gala. I'll issue a note for suspension. You get out from here. That's it. Out from it. And don't report back because as long as I'm in me, not in you. You're a doctor to serve the poor people here. I am suspending you. When the inquiry is initiated, you give your explanation. Eka suspension. I want him relieved right now from here. Ask him to get out from here. भाषा हांव वापरता एकदम नरम. And ज्या म्हण I am telling you, you listen. Go home. Go home. You can go home. They let the residents and senior residents. You go home. I am telling you to go home. अरे I am telling you to go home. एका घरा वचून ती नाल्या सिगरेट धरून भायर मारतो हांव तुका. एका भायर काड हांगाच्या. As the MS, you please see that he is not here on duty today. Send him home just now. You just understand one thing. You're dealing with me. I am telling you, first learn to shut up when I'm talking to you. You can be anything. You want to file a case, go and file a case. But I am telling you, you're suspended from right now. And you go when the investigation starts, you give your explanation. That time I will consider whether I want to take you back on. Other next 2 years, you'll be suspended and you'll remain as long as my tenure is. Poor people have to be served. I am asking you, telling you only this thing, that poor people have to be served. I don't want to listen to you. When I make up my mind, I don't want to listen. I don't want to listen. I am suspending you from this moment. Go home before my blood pressure boils and I take some other action on you. You will not be in service from. You go from whatever. I also work from morning to night. I want you out from here. Eka, what's on the issue instruction that I have said that he be placed under suspension. Don't open your mouth when I'm talking. Send him right now. And issue him a direction that he should not report. I'm suspending him right now.
The reason could be anything. Hypothetically, let us consider there is some mistake that has happened with the doctor. And he's heard to be saying that some reporter had come for some work and the doctor has not behaved properly. What I'm saying is, can one wrong be corrected by another wrong in such grievous cases? The way the health minister talks with the doctor on camera in front of his colleagues and his superiors, MS is there, medical superintendent Mudia is senior to him, where Dr. Rudresh Kutikar is the doctor working maybe under his supervision. He is junior maybe compared to the posting, but is senior enough not to be humiliated in this manner. And the language that being used is so bad in taste, does not fit the health minister. Doctors who undergo more than sometimes 7, 8 and 10 years of training, they do work. Things could have gone wrong, which is not yet been proved. What exactly it is, because our health minister is not even giving him 1 minute's chance to put up his case. Just on the phone call of some reporter, he not only suspends but humiliates him till below the ground. And worse than this, that MS is standing there, being a senior, being an authority in that GMC, when his subordinate, when a doctor under him, a senior doctor, Dr. Rudresh, is being humiliated beyond recognition. This MS is just tied with a zip on his mouth. And we people, the civilians, need to speak about this. Why didn't this MS put his pen and the stethoscope down there and there? I don't understand. You can't stand with your own colleagues. And next in line, not only this MS, not only all the doctors in GMC, I would say every doctor all over Goa, other than the emergencies, should keep their stethoscopes and pens down till this Vishwajit Rane, the health minister, comes on the table and talks this out with all the doctors. It's today or it's never. I've been saying this last 25, 30 years. Yesterday it was he, today it is me, tomorrow it is you. Don't think that you people are saved or you all are going to get immunity against this. This Vishwajit Rane may be trying to defocus the issues which are surrounding him and creating this type of hype. Because if there was a correction to be done, this Vishwajit Rane, who's talking about principles of behavior and talking properly to the patients, he himself is setting a very bad example. I don't know why the doctors are till now quiet about all this. Before the sunrise in the morning tomorrow, I hope and I wish this matter is taken up seriously. My sympathy goes with the patient who might have got mistreated due to some reasons. But this is not the way the senior doctors who are serving us like second in command with God, they are known to be, and we are calling them as they are the divine, they are like the living gods on this earth. And these are the people to be treated. Many times so many things do go wrong with the doctors, with individual patients. We have also been facing this sometimes. It could be due to negligence, it could be due to some accidents. But the methodology used by Vishwajit Rane is not at all acceptable to the world forum also. And I wish all the doctors, I don't know, my voice may not reach out to everybody. People should see that this type of incident not to happen, should see that Vishwajit Rane sits across the table with the prominent doctors in Goa, and they should get the explanation from doctors. It's a shame on us if none of the doctors speak today. Tomorrow it's going to be your turn, doctors. Today it is Rudresh Kutikar. Tomorrow it could be Anthony Morais. And after that it could be if there's shake, it could be anybody. It is not a question of a doctor erring. It's not a question of a mistake that has been done by a doctor as of this incident. It's the question of the way he is behaving, that he is the ultimate in the world. The attitude, the body language, the cameras around, the way he does not allow him to put his side up. If that was needed, then why did you call the doctor? You should have suspended him without even calling him. When you're not allowing to put his side, why did you call the doctor in the first place? And that the way, the humiliation, tell him to stand straight, remove your hands, remove your mask, I want to see your face. Why? Have you decided this matter to be handled like this by looking at his face, or by knowing his name, or by knowing his past history? Yes, but there are other methods to handle this. There could have been a better forum, and you cannot misuse such forums like this. Again I'll say, if no action is taken by all the doctors in Goa, it will be shame on all the Goans. It will be shame especially on all the doctors in Goa. I hope the doctors take note of this incident and never let this type of incidents happen in future. May God bless Dr. Rudresh Kudikar. May God bless all the doctors who are going to speak out against this incident before sunrise tomorrow. Thank you. Dev Varaguru.